Hi, my name is Jesse Hart and I am a musical theatre performer in theatre and television. And today we are excited to be here at Sage College.
Yes, my name is Alfonso Casado. I'm a musical director, music supervisor for theatre, and also a conductor for concerts and films. And yes, this is our second collaboration with Sage College. It's always wonderful to come here and be surrounded by these very enthusiastic students who we know already are going to give us a lot of energy and maybe a little bit of a challenge, but we are ready for it.
Some of my favourite roles to date were Baby in Dirty Dancing, the UK tour, and I also played cover Eponine in Les Miserables on tour and in London's West End. Same with you, Les Miserables?
Yes. So I've been involved with that show, Les Miserables, for over 15 years now. The first time that I did it was in Madrid, where I was very lucky to conduct it for over a year. And then I moved to England. And ever since, I've been involved with that show on and off alongside other productions. But that one is a very special show that I keep in my heart because also it's a show that I shared with Jesse in London in the West End in the Sondheim Theatre.
Yes, and it's the longest running musical, of course. It's run for nearly 40 years
40
this
years.
year. So it's a fantastic show.
It's great. And this recent work that we've done, so I've recently actually been on Broadway opening a show called Old Friends. That was a celebration of Stephen Sondheim. It's currently running in the MTC Theatre. And we actually have a project coming up together. We are doing a concert with the Royal Symphony of Seville, la Real Orquesta Sinfónica de Sevilla, in el Teatro de la Maestranza in Seville,
In July?
July 16th. So Jesse is one of the soloists alongside Mas Murray and Killian Donnelly and Damien Hambley, and we are going to do just a journey of musical theatre covering over 60 years, starting with Rodgers and Hammerstein and taking it all the way to Dear Evan Hansen.
And I'm super excited. It's my first time performing properly in a big theatre and with a big orchestra in Spain. So
Yes.
I'm really excited to be in his hometown with family watching in Seville.
Alongside that, actually, Jesse and I moved to a small town called Bridgnorth in the Midlands in England, where we are as well starting like an educational project in which we want to bring musical theatre coaching to areas in England that not necessarily are so it's not such a thing to do musical theatre training. If you go to London or if you go to Manchester or Liverpool, you've got loads of choices, or Birmingham, but actually where we are, we feel that we can bring a bit of our expertise to that area.
We're both from small towns in England and Spain, so we're really passionate about bringing theatre and opportunities to young people so they can learn about what sort of jobs they can have as they grow up, whether it's a musician, whether it's a sound engineer, a dancer, a singer.
Or a conductor.
Yeah, we're very passionate about encouraging young people to learn about theatre. So today we are going to be working on Mary Poppins with 70 children from Sage College. I'm so excited. Mary Poppins is a fantastic show, a family show, and I was lucky to work with the children's director in London on the auditions and rehearsal period. So today we're working on Anything Can Happen.
I love that song. It's a song that is not in the movie. It's only part of the show, but it's a very special song. And actually, I chose that song a couple of years ago in a concert when we did it in Seville with a big orchestra, because I thought it's such a lovely message about, if you really put your mind on what you want to do and you pursue your dreams and you fight for them, anything can happen if you let it. So it's a lovely message and the music is just gorgeous.
So let's go and see what the kids have got in store.
Yes.